Blessed day to everyone. Tears are pouring just like the rain. Sometimes we feel cold and lonely. We may be facing storms in life that brought us into hopelessness. But let us be encouraged by the Word of God in Mark 11:24. He says, "Whatsoever we ask in prayer, believe that we receive it, and we shall have it." We can cry, we can be sad, but always remember that there will always be an answer to our prayers. Let's continue to believe and have hope that there will always be a new day. A plant needs to be cultivated, just like our faith, our hope, and trust. It may take time, but this plant will grow. The same with us, we will grow stronger, and eventually all those pains, hurts, and sadness will be forever gone. After the rain, we will blossom like flowers and plants, and we will wear our beautiful smile.